Do you check the nutritional information label before buying your protein? Ever wondered how much sugar your protein contains? Well, in most cases, sucralose is one such sweetener that has found its way into our protein-based products. But what is it really? Sucralose is a chemically modified substance that is designed to mimic sweetness without any calories. Many have experienced the absolute discomfort of bloating and other gut issues after consuming products that are sweetened with sucralose, such as diet sodas, sugar-free jams, cookies, and many more. Do you know what it does to your gut? And what are the side effects? 1. It can make you feel sluggish and bloated. 2. It also results in sudden weight gain. And finally, 3. It reduces the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Now, have you ever felt like this and wondered why? Well, does your protein contain sucralose? Is that to blame? It's time we take control of our health and well-being. Let's be mindful and use protein products without any hidden ingredients, without any sucralose. Choose wisely. You are what you eat.